Hey guys, Brady here. Today, I went to Five Below. I got two fidget spinners. This one, which I will be unboxing on this video and reviewing. And then this one, I will be unboxing and reviewing on a different video. And I will do fidget spinner battle. I got my goggles. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. I will probably do a review on those if you want me to. I got that and that from Five Below. And I got some candy, but that doesn't really matter. Just let me open it. I already opened it, so I already used it. I'll just show you the box. Read the back, hand spinner. Work, class, home. And there's all that stuff on it. Made in China. There's two fidget spinners on the back. Just let me open it. So, this is it in the plastic. This is the box without it. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. I'm going to show you the plastic in there. That's the plastic. So, let me get somewhere that I can spin it because I'm on my bed right now. I'm still at the beat.
Need help?
Yeah. I just had to think. Where can I spin it? So it has green bearings and it's white. So I'm gonna spin it.
Spin it longer.
Yeah, so you just have to look at that for a minute. It's actually kind of warping a lot. See, it's kind of warping. So, thanks for recording.
Yep.
Put hashtag fidget spinner in the comments. If I see it, I'll give you a shout out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fidget spinner video. Stay active. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you comment hashtag fidget spinners for a shout out if you want one. And peace.